In this video, we're going to show you how to create, publish, and view the analytics of updates in Visible. Updates are great for investor reports, internal reports, and client reporting. Let's get started by creating an update. First, I'm going to go ahead and give this update a title. And then there are 4 different components that you can add in any update: rich text, charts and visualizations, file attachments, and images. For this, I'm going to start with rich text. I've kind of cheated here and have some copy and paste text already that I'm going to include and put that right here. Something we have recently launched as well is the ability to include tables in any of your rich text areas for more structured data. So you can see here I just added a quick table. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a visualization. With visualizations, you can add charts that you've already created or ad hoc create charts for each update. So I'm going to add one I already have on a dashboard for my annual recurring movements and hit save. I'm going to go ahead and then add a new chart, maybe one that I don't have yet, and I want to do app downloads of my new mobile app. I'm also going to click down and I want to chart the growth of that app and put that growth on a separate axis. And then I'm just going to make sure that I'm defining that to the previous period since the month's not over yet, and I'm going to go ahead and make that a column chart. If I hover over, I can actually annotate this and say our app 2.0 release was this month and add some context to that data as well, and you'll see it right there. I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and that'll live in my update now. You can move updates up and down, side to side, and even add elements in between. In this case, I'm going to add one of the files. And once that uploads, you'll see that it's been uploaded and will live there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some more rich text and just add a salutation saying thanks and signing off here. Now, once I'm ready to go, I can save this draft as a draft and come back to it, or I can actually go ahead, send myself a test, see how it's going to render, or start to publish it. In this case, I'm going to publish it to email, so I'll select one of my list, in this case my team. I can also type an email address directly here, so I'll add another address of this update that I want to send it to. What's really cool about updates is that everything you put in an update is going to be rendered in an email, and you can see who's going to get that update sent. Next, I'm going to go ahead and turn on link sharing. So link sharing will let you send this to any browser. You can view it on the web. It's great for fundraising and things like that, where you can actually see the name and emails of people that are viewing those different updates. And finally, the ability to create this as a template. So maybe you really love the work you've done. We're going to go ahead and make this a template every week on Tuesdays. That's going to get pre-populated with that data. We'll never send it out without telling you, but it'll be put in a draft to automate that report and that cadence. I've gone ahead, I've published this update. You can see the success message here. And just to show you how the link works, I'm going to go ahead and paste this in a new private browsing window, and it'll prompt me for a name and email. So I'll enter a name and enter that into this update. So once I click access here, you'll see that I have the fully beautiful rendered update in my web browser. And if I go and exit out, I can go over to my email actually and see how that actually rendered directly in there. But before I do that, I'm going to show you that you can actually print this to a PDF and have that live in a PDF document. Switching over to my email inbox, you can see that I have everything rendered directly in here. That attachment I added before can be accessed with the click of a button, and it all lives with my email inbox. And finally, you can see that I have all the different analytics that be constantly updated of who's viewing this update, where, and through what medium. I'm going to go ahead and just sign off here, but show you quickly the update. Again, full screen, beautiful, living on Visible in addition to some of the other mediums I mentioned. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.